morning, it's Friday, yay, it's gonna be a peachy day. Imagine that. It's gonna be hot. There's heat warnings today from 11 to 7 this evening. My windows out my front of my house are so steamed up that you can't even see out of them. That's how humid it is. So I just stepped out and I have my daily advice to everybody. All my drinks are way underneath there in the little ice fish pond. Always leave a little water in your ice so you can, it's manageable, so you can push it around a little bit. Anyway, the rig's looking awful spiffy and is ready to go, loaded for whatever it has to run into today. We have a big pool cage this afternoon. I'm gonna try and get it done early, as I'm gonna do this first job, show up about 20 minutes early and get started. It's another pool cage. So it's a 2-job day. One is your normal standard 150 bucks, and the other one's going to be a couple $100. But it's going to be a good day, short day, I hope. And then I have a building to do for Dade City tomorrow morning, which is going to be cool. Very quick job. I'm just going to go with 175 gallons of water and a mix with the Dade. Just spray it down a little bit with the chem spray, rinse it off a little bit. 175 gallons should be good. And I noticed that, wanted to mention that the hater, hi hater, is giving me a thumbs down on a lot of my videos here in the last couple of weeks. Hey, you know, why don't you get a life or something, huh? And here's the funny thing. I'm the only one that knows you're doing it because no one else can see it. If you look at someone else's page and you look at the thumbs down and the thumbs up, they only show the count on the thumbs up. So, you know, me, myself, I don't have a lot of time to waste. I wouldn't even waste time putting the thumbs down on anybody's stuff. I'm sure anybody that spends the time on getting something together to put on YouTube, they're proud of what they're doing. They like what they're doing, and I would never, ever give anybody a thumbs down, even if I do hate you, and I don't hate anybody. There's enough of that in the world to go around, right? All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. That's enough about that, and we are gonna get after it! All right, here we are at the first job, pool cage. I love this kind, man. This is a busy road, but that's the entryway to Timber Pines. That's the back entrance, so it's very busy. So what we're going to do is chlorinate the outside first. This is a dirty pool cage. Got mold on the equipment out here. Got mold all up on the top here. We're going to make this place look spick and span. Make the homeowner very happy. You ready? Ready. All right, let's get after it.
That's what I'm gonna throw upside your head. I said a brick, baby. That's what I'm gonna throw upside your head. Yeah, you got me so worried.
All right, let's have a look. All that, see that little bit of mold right there? That'll all come right off. Bing. Most of it's all gone. You know what time it's gonna be, right? A little bit of satisfying jet wash. Which means it's going to be a satisfying rinse. Let's get after it.
Yeah, you know I love you, and you know my love is true. Well, I can't understand it, baby, when you treat me like you do. I'm gonna chalk a brick, baby. I'm
Let's have a look, huh? It's beautiful. Came out nice. The deck's all nice. Just got to get a couple screens fixed over there, and everything will be perfect. All right, I'm gonna try and get this up. I'm gonna go get some clear pink power and pour it on there and see what happens. We'll be right back. And also, always include this out here, huh? And I'm gonna hit this with some straight chlorine and get this off of here. All right, I'm done. It's the little things, man. This guy will be a repeat customer. Guarantee it. Let's get after it. Hey, hey, hey. See that over there? Do you see it? I don't see it either. That rust disappeared. And that's a secret, man. I can't let anybody know how I did that. I just had to get after it. Hey, down here en route to the big pool cage. It's an 8-beamer, so it's double the size of a regular cage, so it's gonna be pretty cool. Anyway, hopefully it's not too bad, but I just filled up with some fresh SH and added my nice new surfactant, and we are gonna go ahead and go over here and nuke the place. Then tomorrow I got that job for Dade City, so it's a metal building, so I'm gonna go ahead and go over the mechanics of the Zeta, and we're going to use the Zeta Chem Sprayer 40P, Zeta 40P, and hit that building. And we're going to take, I'm going to go ahead and haul 200 gallons of water. This trailer is rated for 5,200 pounds, so it'll be able to handle that. And we'll go ahead and knock that building out real quick. I won't have to hook up to any water or anything, so that's going to make for an interesting video for tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. Also, I'm getting ready to go to the mountains in about a week from Tuesday, I do believe, and I'm going to be rolling through Georgia on the way home from that trip. Going to be stopping at Lane's Orchards, pick me up some peaches, some peach jam, some cobbler for the missus when we get home. My wife's going to be getting after a homemade pizza, and we're going to sit down for that when I get back from my trip, and we're going to eat some peach cobbler for dessert. Looking forward to that. But I got 3 motorcycles, and I'm bringing all 3 of my bikes. I'm going on a solo trip, staying at a really cool place where they got a garage to keep the bikes in and all that, so looking forward to that too. So also there's going to be some cool videos that I'll be putting out on my trip, posting what's going on during the day, and I'm going to try to make it interesting. It's not going to be pressure washing, but it'll be cool. All right, well, hope everybody's having a good day, and we'll see you at the job, where I am going to just have to just get after it. All right, here we are at Pasco Trails. This is a very cool place. A lot of times I see deer out here, all kinds of turkey. These are big properties, high-end ticket jobs out here. I do quite a few places out here. I think I have 5 clients out here, but they're all big clients, big tickets. This job's going to be close by, so this is a new customer I'm going to today, so we're not going to have to drive too far. This is the kind of properties that we have out here. Nice big homes. We're going to get on the next block. It's the next house after the next block, it looks like. Now people have their horses out here. Pretty cool, huh? It's a nice place. That one needs to be cleaned. They need to see Super Blast. Alright, it's going to be the next place on the right. This big spread over here. Gonna have to pull in there, I guess. See if I can't get this monster rig turned around their property. Alright, I'm Don, and I'll be back. Don, here we are at the job number 2. The homeowner's happy that we're here, right?
Absolutely.
There you have it. We got green mold up here.
Oh, I
all
know.
this leaves, and we got trees growing out of the gutters. I don't know if I can get that
Maybe
out
that's
of there.
my landscaping. Oh no, it's roofscaping.
Then we have this deck.
Yeah.
Half clean.
So you can see how some of the
Yep.
you can see the chips.
The rest of it's not that bad. This will clean up nice. All right. Let's get after it. Down here we got it all SH. You can see that the homeowner's deck is looking brighter and cleaner because it got chlorine on it.
And then that bubbles on top of it. Isn't that nice?
She likes the scrubby bubbles. And all the mold is gone off of here. All we gotta do is rinse this puppy out and we'll be done. And all we need to do is do what? Get after it. Whoops, I forgot. And now for the satisfying rinse.
Let it roll tonight.
We're all done. Let's have a look at this puppy. Looks really good. All the mold's gone off everything. It's an older cage, so it's oxidized pretty good. But all the mold's gone and the deck came nice and clean. All the screens are clean. And the homeowner's happy. Well guys, thank you for everything. And what do we do?
You get after it.
We get after it. Do you get after it?
Always.
What do you do?
Get after it. At home,
Everybody gets after it. Hey, when he gets home, he gets after it. Hey, look at this dude up here. I bet you he even gets after it.
That's Mr. American.
Get after it! Don here from Super Blast. My whole family gets after it. Even my dog gets after it. Watch this. Hey, Sam, sit down. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Get after it. What do we do, hon?
We all get after it.
See that? Get after it.